Welcome to Millionaire's Row. This is Casa Elefante Blanco, an imposing property enjoying a majestic location on its own volcanic outcrop, with enchanting 360-degree views of ocean, mountains and the rural countryside of La Asomada near Macha on the sun-drenched island of Lanzarote. This magnificent mansion has 6 bedrooms spread out in separate styled areas with individual living rooms, kitchens and bathrooms throughout the house. Each room is different, giving a feeling of a themed hotel or an art installation. The main living room is split level, opening into the dining room, the large main kitchen and panoramic views from the glass-walled cocktail bar and entertainment room overlooking the Rubicon Mountains. Downstairs there is a modern and welcoming self-contained 2-bed apartment which is connected to the main house via a spiral staircase near the wine cellar. There are intriguing corners and quirky elements throughout this fascinating house. And don't forget the white stone elephant that stands guard over the main gateway, which gives the house its name. Imagine soaking up the sunshine on your extensive stone terraces, or cooling off in the pool under the endless Canary Island blue skies. Lanzarote has a great healthy way of life, and here at Casa Elefante Blanco, you can enjoy the peace and tranquility of this astonishing grand mansion, far away from the noise and bustle of Puerto del Carmen, yet close enough to the shops, restaurants and services of Macha, Tías and Puerto Galero. If you are looking for privacy, peace, plenty of space and awe-inspiring views, then you must visit Casa Elefante Blanco. This is a remarkable opportunity to acquire one of the most substantial properties on the island. Don't hesitate. Get in touch with us to arrange a viewing. Call now and make your Lanzarote dreams come true. Welcome to Millionaire's Row.